You might think that Starbucks is just about coffee, but it's actually a masterclass in consumer psychology. From the moment you step into a Starbucks, you're not just entering a coffee shop. You're stepping into a carefully crafted environment designed to ignite your senses and keep you coming back for more. Hey there, fellow psychology enthusiasts. Welcome back to Psychological Life Hacks. Today, we're about to dive into the intriguing world of consumer psychology, and what better way to explore this than by unraveling the secrets behind that addictive cup of joe we all know and love, Starbucks coffee. So grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's embark on this caffeinated journey together. Picture this: cozy lighting, comfortable seating, and that aroma of freshly ground coffee beans wafting through the air. Starbucks knows that the environment plays a huge role in how we experience their coffee. The soft music. It's not just background noise. It's a psychological trick to make you stay longer and spend more. So don't be surprised if you find yourself tapping your foot to the rhythm of your pumpkin spice latte. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Starbucks offers an incredible range of customization options. Ever heard someone order a grande, half-caff, non-fat, no foam, extra hot latte? Well, that's not just a tongue twister. It's a way for Starbucks to make you feel like you're in control. The more you customize, the more you feel a sense of ownership over your order. Ah, the limited edition allure. Starbucks keeps us hooked by introducing seasonal drinks and limited-time cups. They play on our fear of missing out, making each visit a treasure hunt for the latest must-have item. Who knew that sipping from a collectible cup could make you feel like Indiana Jones on a caffeine-fueled adventure? Have you ever snapped a pic of your Starbucks cup and posted it online? You're not alone. Starbucks has mastered the art of creating Instagrammable moments. Sharing your coffee experience becomes a form of self-expression. And hey, if you didn't gram it, did you even really drink it? Let's talk about the infamous Starbucks name, misspelling. Ever noticed how your name ends up as something unrecognizable on your cup? It's not just a barista's playful mistake. It's an ingenious way to make you remember your Starbucks experience. So, embrace the unique spelling. It's a memory hack. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the captivating psychology behind your daily caffeine fix. Next time you're in a Starbucks, remember that you're not just ordering a coffee. You're participating in a well-crafted experience that engages your senses, individuality, and social connections. If you enjoyed this dive into consumer psychology, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-boggling insights. And hey, share this video with your friends, because knowledge is best enjoyed over a cup of coffee. Stay curious, stay caffeinated, and until next time, keep hacking your psychological world. Cheers.